Tesla owners are taking matters into their own hands, literally. When it comes to emergency door releases, some Tesla features are hidden, leaving owners to create their own solutions. Tesla's rear door emergency releases are tucked away under panels, making them hard to find in urgent situations. This design flaw can be problematic if the car's power fails, leaving passengers struggling to escape quickly. Enter the creative Tesla owners who have devised their own fixes. By attaching key tags, straps, and paracords to the hidden releases, they've created ripcords for easy access. These DIY solutions mimic aircraft-style cords with labels like "pull to eject," making them both functional and noticeable. Visibility is crucial in emergencies. If a car is on fire or upside down, finding a hidden release can be challenging. DIY kits, like those from Tesseris and EV Dynamics, offer high visibility cords and labels, ensuring the releases are easy to spot when needed. While Tesla's design may fall short, owners have options. With DIY kits available, Tesla owners can enhance their vehicle's safety, ensuring quick access to emergency door releases when it matters most. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and let us know in the comments what you think about the Tesla door releases. Stay tuned for our next review. See you on the road.